In this episode, we will be looking at the recording of labor costs in a job order costing system. Remember, as manufacturing costs are incurred to produce inventory, all costs of production need to be recorded in an inventory account. Those costs do not become an expense until the inventory is sold. When we are working with labor costs, the direct labor costs are recorded directly into goods in process. We can see that on a job cost sheet. Direct labor reflects the cost of labor that is directly working on producing the job or the inventory item. We can directly trace those costs because we know exactly how much is incurred on each inventory job. The journal entry to record the direct labor as it is incurred is a debit to the goods in process inventory account and a credit to factory wages payable or a credit to cash if the wages are paid immediately. For the indirect labor cost, which would be the cost of factory supervision, the cost of factory maintenance workers, these are the indirect labor costs. They are not directly working on producing the inventory. They are indirectly working in the factory to help produce the inventory. As actual labor costs, indirect, are incurred, we record the amount of indirect costs with a debit to factory overhead and a credit to factory wages payable or to cash if it is paid immediately. We can see these costs being recorded. Direct cost, direct labor are recorded directly into goods in process. The indirect labor costs are debited into factory overhead.